Yo, Frank, what's up, dude? Good morning. How you doing, dude? Yeah? Alright, Frank, what are you up to today? What's on your agenda? He's gonna hang out? What are we about to do?
Get building.
What are we building?
A new table.
A new table. Here's all the stuff inside.
Let's get building.
First, we have to sweep the patio. Patio swept. You ready to put this together? It's gonna be all you though, okay? You got this whole thing, right? All the pieces? Yeah? You're gonna use that? How does it work?
And this.
And we're gonna be building a set of chairs. And you're gonna help build?
Yeah.
Hey, guess what?
Yeah.
I like your toes.
Hey, Dad, guess what?
What?
You're a spiky ball.
I'm a spiky ball?
Yeah.
That's kind of rude.
Whoa!
Here are the instructions. They're upside down. Here are the instructions. Assembly.
I'm gonna squeeze.
Essentially, it's just like, yo, good luck, dog. That's it. Like this.
First, I have to go pee.
All right. Ready to start assembling?
Yep.
Yep.
Sure am with
Hey,
this.
look at that. Who's that back there?
Frank, put a camera.
I'm gonna need the part that has leather bands. It's a square, and then I'm gonna need 2 swoops. Good job, Jake. You got the swoops and the leather things. Good job, dude.
Here, go on it, then.
Here.
Hey, Dad, look. Watch.
What? I'm watching.
They attach.
Almost. Wow, like he did both of them with his toy gun. It actually worked. All right, bud. So far, we have the front of the chair, and you're the rest of the chair. So we're gonna sit on you, okay?
Okay.
We're gonna sit down on top of your head, okay?
Okay.
Because you're the chair. You're a chair now. You live out here. This is your new permanent home, okay? Okay. You give it a test, Jake?
Yeah. Whoa.
Good job, dude. Thanks for your help. Now I
Go
got-
back inside.
Well, we have one more chair and a table to build next.
Yep. Sure can.
What?
Yep. Sure can.
Sure can. Just like most other projects, when you're working on things with little kiddos, they ditch you after about 5 minutes because it's not quick enough. So, it's just me doing the rest of this. So, what do you think of the chairs?
They're really comfortable.
Comfy?
Yep,
What do you think,
sure.
Frank? Yeah, you're done. Chair, and a table, and then Jake. Jake, look at the table. You're in the reflection.
Me too. It made me like, whoa.
Hey, what's up, guys? It is a Friday. Happy Friday. There's really not much happening, so really not much to vlog. But I just wanted to wrap up this video here because I have all this stuff here that we've already filmed, and I'm like, oh yeah, I've got to end the video because I kind of forgot how to vlog properly. He's my coworker for the day. How you doing, Frank? You doing well? Or what do you want to work on? You want to take on some client work? I just want to stand here and look cute.
But I'm growing up.
How about you don't do that? Don't grow up anymore.
I should.
Stay a kid as long as you can.
No, I want to grow up.
No, you don't want to do that. That crap's boring, dude.
No, I wanna
Stay a
grow
kid as long as you can be a kid.
up. No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Other than that, guys, yeah, hit that subscribe button if you like what you saw. Click that like down below. We'd appreciate that. We don't know if we'll make more vlogs or not, but we're kind of in quarantine, so there's really nothing else to do or anywhere else to go for that matter. Don't forget to drive your car around. If your car's been sitting still for a minute, keep that battery charged. Just got in from doing that this morning. Anyway, guys, I'll see you for the next video. There's Jake. Bye, Jake.
No, bye, guys.
No, bye, guys?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
What you said bye.
You don't want to say bye yet?
Yep. Bye, guys.